for those big one-time purchases, they can be quite useful to pay things off in instalment. If you are struggling with debt though, or not that money savvy, I would contact a debt charity like Step Change or the Money Advice Service. Some great resources as well. Ask for help if you're having trouble with money. Yeah, I think so.
And what's your password of the week?
It's password, not just changing your password online, but I don't know if you've got one of these digital doorbells, you know, that's connected to Wi-Fi in the home or fridge or heating. You've got to make sure the passwords on those things are also strong. At the moment, the government's trying to make sure they're safe as soon as they come out of the box, but in the meantime, you've got to make sure you change it. If you don't, this is actually what happened to a casino a couple of years ago. They had one of these internet-enabled fish tanks which controlled the lighting and the heating, and scammers managed to hack into that and then get into the rest of the network
Via the fish.
via the fish
That's got to
tank.
be on
So,
Ocean's
you know, if you've got one of these green doorbells or something like that, honestly, like, make sure you're changing the password and checking on that too. And we've all got things like that now.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. So, Natalie, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll see you again. Right, time for a bit of cooking, isn't it, with our Freddie? I'm still practicing my lion face in the outbreaks.
Lying or lying?
No,
Lying. You got a lying pose.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. If anyone needs any serviettes during the cooking, by the way.
What have you got for us? This is a Thai fish curry.
So it's a Thai fish curry, which is enough to feed 4 people for 5. So it's really a really great budget one here. This is a dish I used to make when I was sort of studying really, as a chef really, and I couldn't afford fresh fish. I would use actually frozen fish to make dishes, sort of fresh fish pie and stuff like this. So anyway, swiftly moving on. So in here, I've got a bit of sunflower oil, I've got some onions, I've got some garlic in there, and I've got nice sort of coloration going on here. And then what I'm going to do to that now, I'm going to add a little bit of chopped chili in there. And then also, what I've got here, I've got some potatoes that I've cut into cubes. And then the reason why I've done that is to cook them a little bit quicker, and I've sort of part-boiled them in a bit of boiling salted water. That also just goes inside there. So it's a very, very quick curry. It doesn't take long to make whatsoever at all. Toss that nicely like that. The potatoes should be slightly crunchy, not too soft, so that they actually cook within the sauce itself. So a little bit of salt in there also goes there. A little bit of pepper. Okay. And then the most important item of this curry here is some nice coconut milk. So I've got a bit of coconut milk inside here, and a touch of water as well, so it's not too thick and too strong. And what I do, I bring that to the boil, and then that way, what happens is the cooking process starts immediately. So you're not waiting for it to come to the boil. That gets poured in there, just like that. That lovely boiling there.
Thai green curry would be my choice of meal.